Hi, Khloé. Welcome home.
Hi.
Hi. Did you have a great day?
No, is she really talking to me?
Come on over here. Come to Mama.
Is she in that thing?
Come on. I don't bite.
What the Is
Come
something
on
gonna
over
jump
here,
out?
Khloé.
What?
Wow, I love the blonde hair.
This is really weird. And you could see me?
Khloé.
What?
Hi, honey.
What is
Did you have a good day today?
Yes, I did. Where are you?
What do you mean, where am I? I'm right here. Don't touch.
Oh.
Did you have a good day?
What?
Me again.
Oh, no.
Me again.
But where are you in real life?
Do you want to have dinner? I can have a snack with you. We can make dinner together. I can be 2 places at the same time. I can be 3 places at the same time. I could be with you wherever you go.
Hello?
Too much?
Oh, Lord. It's still talking.
Is it too much?
No, it's great.
I can read you a bedtime story.
Oh, good.
I think
Are you guys having issues on your end with the?
it got unplugged.
She unplugged me.